my name is Gabby. Today we're going to be doing my best friend's planner for the week of... Oh, shoot, I forgot. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. We're going to be doing the week of May 18th through the 24th. So, actually, this week... normally it was supposed to be like, if we leave it like that, it was supposed to be veterinary week, but since she starts it on, she is doing a Sunday, we're gonna move stuff around for this, and that's just kind of how it's gonna go. And I think veterinary week is from the 19th to the 25th. So yeah, it did match this specific week. So my best friend's going to be a vet, you guys, and she is excited. So she's currently in the process of becoming a vet, and let's see, 19 to 25. Ooh, I like that one. Okay. I think I'm going to do this. Okay, so since it's vet week and I wanted to do something special for my best friend, I went ahead and printed these out. These are the African trees from Planit.darbi, as well as my Gabby elephants. These are elephants that Darby created for me. She drew these, and I am obsessed, so I am kind of excited to use these again. And then I brought out some lovely autumn dots because they are the best and they work very well with the browns from this page. And then I also brought the big and more in gray because I want to bring some gray in. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, wait, did I just realize that this has dates? It does, and it has the 19th to the 25th. All right, we're doing this. We're putting this aside. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and date it first. Yeah, let's go ahead and date it first. So we're gonna do the 19th through the 25th. 19, 20. I sometimes forget that these have like the dates. I'm gonna use the darker version because on my sticker book it gives off this brown tint, so I think that would work. Okay, hold up. Oh wait, it starts on the 18th. I was like, wait a minute, what? Because it is a Sunday. We're doing Sunday start, you guys. Okay, and then it ends on the 24th. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Veterinary week is from the 19th to the 25th. Okay. Do I want to use the big ones or the small ones? No, I'm probably going to use... Okay, let's go ahead and set these down first. So I'm going to put 18. Look how cute. 19. Don't worry, you guys. I will use my bone. We'll get all those air bubbles out. 21. That's kind of cute. 22, 23. Something that I didn't get out that I'm gonna get up and look for right now is the scraps. There was one set of scraps. I know I have it. Okay, there's this set of scraps from Planit.darbi. They are Talk to the Sand. They are from like a collection, like a, what's it called? A summer collection, but that's okay. So we're gonna do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, I think we're gonna leave those on the side. All right, so we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You guys, I'm in desperate need of coffee. And Saturday. Okay, before I do anything else, I'm gonna grab my bone and I'm gonna press it down just to get all those air bubbles out. I hope you guys can see the difference. I think you can. Or at least you can even on the pictures, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Pressing it down. Same thing with this one. I feel like I need to reinforce my desk right now. Okay, perfect. We have all the dates. All right, so over here, I want to use this. Right? Doesn't that sound? No, let's go ahead and use this. Oh, but this one's not cut. Okay, let's grab it. It's gonna be one of those. Maybe we can use this one. And do like a this week. And then possibly continue it. Maybe? Let's see. Or is that too high? Maybe that's too high. Or maybe we can just rip it. Rip it. Not that there's like a lot of hills in Africa, right? Maybe not. Maybe a little bit lower. Maybe we'll cut it right here. That way it can stick around. That's the best part about the scraps. You can still make it a little lighter. Okay, we're gonna put that up here. That there. And then we're gonna put this one back right there. Okay, cool. Let's grab the trees. I think I want to use the biggest one on this side. And maybe press that down like that. Ooh. And then maybe have the baby elephant. She wants to work with elephants, you guys. So this, it was like seriously perfect for her. Okay. Then we forgot to put the thing up here, you guys. And by we, I mean you guys. No, I'm just kidding. This is what? April? Are we still? No. This is May. We are working on May. Why did I think April? Okay. We are working on May. Probably because we are in Pro Gabby. Okay, then I want to put this tree up here. And this is where these little ones come in handy, because you can definitely like add some like texture lines, or like not texture lines, but you know what I mean? Kind of like it's dirt, and have it laid on it. That way it doesn't seem so empty and alone, and you know. Okay, that one. All right, where would we put the big one? I feel like we could put the big one here. And the only reason why I say that is because on Sundays she is like, she works, but she doesn't have like classes on Sundays. So I'm thinking I will put this one somewhat like right that. All right, and then I want the mama. Should we have her like stumbling through? Let's see. Maybe, just maybe, we could do something like this. Like that, right? And then we can have her stumble through the week. And then we have mama and baby. And then I'll lift this up a little bit just so it's not like white down here. And go ahead and add more to that. Cool. Actually, I have this little blue, but it dries white. And we can paste it down. And it'll stay there. So we got mama and baby, which means I need something to cover this. So let's go ahead and put one of these. That way it's not so high. But like, it kind of seems like it is. You know? Kind of like creating scenes, like you're looking in the back. Okay. Now I have baby elephant, which means let's go ahead and create a little tiny scenario. Because why not? I love little tiny scenarios. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking I want to do it over here. Why? Don't ask. Okay. And then we're going to put this tree over here, the very end. And then we're going to put this beautiful tree more towards the front. Even if it kind of falls. Or like not falls, but even if we have to cut it. Put there. Oops. There we go. All right. Then we have this beautiful head. Which I'm like, do I kind of wish I would have brought that down and created like a whole thing. That way I can put the head up here. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. We're gonna continue more or less this scene here. Like so. And then we're gonna put this one like that. So now I get to use this one and put it here, maybe next to a box regarding her work. Let's see. It's really deep gray. Let's use this one. So I'm going to use this one for her work. So I'm thinking I really don't want to cut the horns because it is such a beautiful face. So I don't want to put it under it either. What if we do something like that? I feel like it's gonna have to be over here. and then her work schedule right here. Like that. Okay, and then over here, we're gonna put her work schedule up here as well. There we go. And then I need baby elephant. Baby elephant's gonna be up here. Yeah, baby elephant's gonna be, oh no, maybe close to this one. Yep. Okay, and then quote is gonna be right here. I was not made to be subtle. I love that. And then we have like this little ones, this little like decor. I'll go ahead and put that on here. That, the other little one up here for work. Okay, let's do checklist, because then I feel like that's gonna be more overwhelming on that. I think we should do brown checklist, because I feel like we do have green, but like green might be too much. So let's go ahead and do brown. Yeah, let's do brown. Okay, so we're gonna do one. I feel like I don't normally get to use brown anyway, so this is gonna be kind of neat. Let's go ahead and just, I'm gonna move this up a tiny bit. Okay, that way she can have 3 long ones. Then we're gonna have one, oops. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, UPS, 3. It's gonna give her plenty of checklists. She is a very functional planner, and I don't know if you guys watch our previous videos, but she does use highlighters on here. So then she's able to tell like her tasks. She likes doing that. So I'll leave those to her. I feel like, there we go. Perfect. And then I have to take pictures, which is honestly the craziest part about this is the picture taking. And then I have to figure out where I'm gonna download it, because I need to create an album for all my planner pictures. Because you guys, it is getting crazy. Okay, we're gonna put 2. And that way I can put 1 here, and then she can just do that one. So she can have a long one here, a long one there. And I think that's it, you guys. Look how cute. Thank you for hanging out with me. I love it. Happy Veterinarians Week for all. If you guys are vets or vet techs or vet nurses or front desk vets, thank you guys. We appreciate you all. So I think this turned out super, super cute. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye!